it to Amsterdam! We're here.
Go.
We just checked into our hotel. It's so sunny in this room. I don't know if you can tell, but it's hard to keep our eyes open. It's so nice out. We don't really have any big plans here. It's just, I'm turning 23, so this is my birthday trip.
23.
So let's go. I'm hungry. I need a street waffle. What's it called?
I can't see.
What's it called? I can't either. Before we go, and this was the cheapest hotel I could find. Easy Hotel.
Yeah.
We just got them. Try it. They told them to start on that side and end with the chocolate. Is it good?
Yeah, it was really good. I remember like growing up, it was like more chewy. But maybe it's because it's not like dried, it's still warm.
It's
but
fresh.
it's really good, fresh like this. And I like the cookie part.
Is it everything you remember from your childhood and more?
Yeah, it's really good. 10 out of 10.
It's good. It's so sticky. Oh snap.
Looks pretty good.
We're gonna eat it. Now we're just gonna take the subway since we booked like an all-day pass and explore.
Yeah.
A doggy on a houseboat.
Dude, how sick is that? I don't mean to be like a peeper, but look into their house.
The houseboat in question.
That's a sick crib.
You would live there?
Oh, 100%.
What about the dogs?
Yeah, not with the dogs, no. But like a fun vacation for sure. Like if that was an Airbnb. So we're just standing out here looking at the houses and there's some boats going by. And I didn't understand him, but we were talking about how this boat over here was taking on too much water.
We're like, oh, look
So
at that
he was
boat.
like, is that your guys' boat?
We gave him a thumbs up back.
Thumbs up, that's all I know how to do. We have the right way, I'm sorry. We ate at this Italian joint. No good. The pizza tasted bad. Like, I don't know how you mess up pizza. It's fine, whatever. I was eating it, it's a veggie pizza. I got an olive on it. And then like a pit was still in the olive and my tooth was all jacked. And no thank you.
Good morning.
Good morning. We're about to go get some coffee.
We just got done with the boat tour. We learned a lot of interesting facts. We actually learned that these hooks on the tops of these houses, which I would not have even noticed before, that back in the day how they would bring all the spices and they'd pull them all the way up and store them in their attics and stuff. But now they still use them to pull up their couches and their beds and even like carts of beer. So it's really cool. And the houses are all like tilted forward a little. So when they pull stuff up, it wouldn't break the window, because it would just go right in the window, and back in the day the windows were really expensive. So pretty cool facts that we learned.
Also, another cool thing is like, not that we want to look into people's houses, but I guess it's like a social thing to have your curtains up, because then it means you have nothing to hide.
And if you
But
have
if you
them
have
shut,
them drawn, then it means like you're hiding something and it's like a no-no. And shutting your curtains is no big deal back home, so it's cool.
cool little cultural differences.
Definitely.
I think that's really neat. better than a normal pancake or what?
Yeah.
We're headed to the same market we went to yesterday because I want to get a cute tote bag there for my souvenir and a magnet, and also one more strudel waffle before we go because those were the best thing I've had on the trip so far. So let's go. Wait, say that again?
I thought you had enough sweets. I got her a pancake. And
Yeah.
she was like, this is too sweet.
Yeah, but I can handle the strudel sweet. In my life. Our last one. I'm so sad. We just got one split and the guy was like, are you sure? Like, yes, I'll eat most of it and Blake can have the rest. It's the third day, the final day, and we're headed to the Anne Frank house. I'm interested in going to see it, so.
I'm excited to go and learn about the history. Looks good. We just got done with Anne Frank, and now we're eating it. I mean, it was really sad, but informative. It's just kind of crazy to see like how her life was and like what they had to go through when they were captured. It's just really sad and crazy to think that it only happened like 80 years ago.
We're just sitting here by the side of the canal before we walk back to our hotel and grab our stuff. I'm so glad we came and we got to experience the city and the beautiful weather.
Yeah.
And I'm so glad we got to come here for my 23rd birthday. One of the best birthdays yet. So.
Happy birthday.